Good morning! Nandito nga ang aking napakabibo na pamangkin. Uy, grabe na yan! First honor na naman ang bebe namin. At buti na lang guys, natapos namin yung costume niya kagabi. Kasi yung contest na dapat on Monday, ay ngayon na daw pala. Nagbago yung schedule. Kaya kanina 11 AM nagpunta sila sa bahay. So 1 PM yung start. Dahil proud tita to, sumama ko sa school syempre. Gusto ko mapanood si Jaire. At heto na nga, nagko-costume ng maliit na puno kasi mag-i-start na guys. Siya nga lang pala ang nursery nakasali sa contest kasi nag-back out daw yung iba.
Ganito po, meron po kami dito ng papel. Kung sino po lang mabubulot po, sure po lang tutula.
At syempre dito kami pumwesto sa pinakadulo dahil medyo makulit itong maliit na puno. O, palakpak din naman siya eh.
Let's wait, okay? The shape of the now. The prize is on this one. The bird is here. The bell is ringing. The people all insulting. You follow the best agreement there. Heart, heart. Oh, the bleeding drop is red. Where the deck may not be light. Falling close. Oh, captain, my captain, rise up and hear the bell. Rise up for you the club is clap. For you the golden trails. For you. The board is here. The reaction here. The people are shouting. For follow I to stay here. Better being and daring. But hard, hard, hard. Oh, the bleeding country. Rise up and hear the bells. Rise up for you the flood is flood. For you the water flows. For you vocation people back. For you the shores are cloudy. For you the forest is very much. The eager face is straight.
Habang nagpe-perform na nga isa-isa. Eto po ang representative ng nursery at kinder. Walang pakialam, naghihintay lang na tawagin siya guys. Medyo makulit pero napaka-smart po talaga ng bebe namin na yan.
All things bright and beautiful, by Samuel Francis Alexander. All things bright and beautiful, all faces great and small, all things wise and wonderful. The Lord God made them all. Each little flowers that open, each little bird that sings, made their glowing colors. He made tiny wings, purple and golden, the rich running down. Mountain and the shorty, the bright of the sky. For reaching the winter, the fluttering summer songs, and things well. Give the flower comes open. Give the familiar things. He made her glowing colors. He made her tiny wings.
At ayan na, maya-maya nga po ay nabunot na ang number 8.
Hello. Please file and painful. Anostia, Princess Alexander. With all things bright and beautiful, all things riches, plain and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord, the maiden all, which will tell that all things which live, won't dance in, make war. Running by, it's dancing like holding baby, your blanket, this guy, the holy sandy sand. The golden
Alexander. Johnny. Each little bird that sings, he made them glowing colors. All things bright and wonderful. All creatures, great and small. All things wise and wonderful. The Lord God made glowing colors. He made it the purple heaven mountain, the river running white, the sunset and the morning.
Tapos na guys, on Monday daw ang result kung sinong nanalo. At wait, may picture taking. Ayan, siya nga lang yung nursery na hindi nag-back out. Dahil sabi nga ng mommy at daddy niya, siya daw talaga ang gustong sumali. Ang cute na ng post niya sa mga unang pictures. Tapos bandang huli na-distract. Ayos na yun. Basta masaya siya sa Chucky niya. And we're so proud of you, Jaire. Napakagaling mo. High five. Very good talaga yan. Simula nag-schooling siya, first honor talaga. Ang galing niya magbasa, guys. Magaling sa numbers, English. Ikaw na talaga, be. O siya, maya-maya pauwi na kami.
Oh, very good. Oh, come on, let's go.
Basa muna daw siya bago lumabas ng school. Dito nga muna sila dumiretso sa amin kasi naiwan pala ng mommy niya yung susi. Kaya heto siya nangaasar sa aso ko.
Get me chocolate. Snow and then we gonna get it.
Ay, tumungtong din siya. Ay, bawal sa'yo ang Chucky. Chucky.
No, Chucky.
No, Chucky for mo.
We sing.
Yes.
Yes, alam ni Jaira na chocolates are poisons to dogs. O siya, hanggang dito na muna. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye!